All right, this is a video to show you how to set up a recurring office hours meeting through Zoom. So just from Google, I'm going to start at the very beginning so that you know how to sign in and how to set up your meetings. So just from Google, I'm going to type in Zoom, get me to the website. So the first result in the search is zoom.us, and that's what we're going to use. So you're going to click right there onto that link, and it's going to take you to the Zoom sign-in page. Now, if you've already previously created a profile, then you can click sign in. If not, you'll have to sign up, and that will lead you through those steps to sign up. So once you've created your profile, you're going to sign in. And I already have one, so mine is already saved in there. So there's my email address and my password, and I'm going to click sign in. I would also, if it's your personal computer, I would recommend clicking the stay signed in. That way you don't have to log in every time you use it. So we're going to click sign in, and then it's going to take you to your settings page. And this is where you can schedule your meetings. So over here on the left in this navigation bar, we're going to go over here to meetings. Okay. I already have my office hours set up, but what you're going to do is you're going to schedule a new meeting. So click that blue button, and it's going to give you the option to set up all of the parameters for your meeting. So if you want to call this your meeting, or if you want to call this office hours, or whatever you want to call it, office hours. Okay. If you want to enter a description, you can, but you don't have to. Then you're going to choose the date. So my first office hours, let's say, is going to be, I'm going to click on this little calendar. Say my first office hours will be Saturday at 2 o'clock, just for fun. Okay. And I'll have it set up for automatically for 1 hour, and make sure that we're on Eastern time. Now, since these are office hours that you're going to be having every day, you're going to check this box that says recurring meeting. Okay. So this says it's going to be every day, 7 occurrences. Now you can change this. You can say we're going to have it weekly, monthly, or no fixed time. But we're going to say we want this daily. Okay. And we're going to say we're going to have it, we're going to repeat it every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, whatever. Since we want it every day, we're going to repeat every day. It will schedule you to have office hours on the weekends, but you do not, as long as you do not start the meeting, it's not going to hurt anything. Okay. And then we're going to say what our end date is. Let's say our end date is going to be May 18th. Okay. So that will be our end date. Then we do not need a meeting password, because this is going to be available for the students. Video for the host, you can choose when you set it up if you want to have the video automatically start when you host the meeting, or when you host the meeting, you can choose to turn it on or not. So mine is set to off, so it does not automatically start my video, but when I start my video meeting, I can choose to turn it on. Same thing with the students. They can choose if they want their video on or off by clicking on those. Audio, same thing. Do you want to be able to use a telephone audio or computer audio? We choose both because that gives us better audio options. And then here are some other options. This allows the students to go into the meeting before the host has actually started it. We don't want that. This one, you can mute students upon entry. That would be useful if you have a whole bunch of kids joining at the same time or close to the same time, and they're talking and you can't hear. You could click that. I don't do that because it doesn't matter. If you allow a waiting room, that means if you schedule your meeting to start at 1 o'clock and it's like 1:03 before you get there, the students will be able to wait. We don't need to record them, any of that. So then we're going to click save, and that is our meeting setup. Now, this is the link that you need to post into the Google Classroom so that people can join it. And once they click on that link, they will come to this meeting every time they join. Hope that helps. Thanks.